Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to take a deep dive into one of the most amazing and oldest known healing herbs on our planet, and it can be found most anywhere growing wild. Of course, we are talking about yarrow. We will discuss this amazing herb's history, current medicinal uses, and this edible herb's nutrition facts. So without further ado, let's get started. But first, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell. It really helps us out. Thank you. So, what is yarrow, you ask? Yarrow, or Achillea millefolium, is a versatile medicinal herb that has been used for millennia. It is believed to be the herb described in Homer's Iliad, and it was used by the mythological Achilles to treat the wounds of his men. Yarrow has many other uses, including slowing and stopping blood flow, healing wounds, making beer, and adding flavor to food. Yarrow throughout history has been known by many names: devil's nettle, Herba Militaris, milfoil, nosebleed, old man's pepper, staunch weed, thousand seal. Yarrow is a member of the sunflower genus. The yarrow flowers can have several colors, but is most commonly white. Historically, yarrow has been used for such things as stemming or stopping blood flow, healing wounds on the battlefield, making beer and moonshine, a food seasoning. Today, yarrow is still used all over the world, and its documented benefits are nothing short of astonishing. Yarrow has been shown to be beneficial in rapid wound healing, blood clotting, maintaining menstruation, reducing inflammation, lowering high blood pressure, reducing anxiety, increased stem cells where needed, mastitis, gastrointestinal. Unbelievable, right? Let's take a closer look. Rapid wound healing. In a 2011 paper, the International Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences states that yarrow is shown to aid in healing wounds because of its astringent, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial characteristics. They cite in part, A. millefolium and/or yarrow has an esteemed status in herbs with diverse pharmacological activity spectrum. Traditional indications of their use include digestive problems, liver and gallbladder conditions, menstrual irregularities, cramps, fever, wound healing. In a 2022 study published in the National Library of Medicine, yarrow or Achillea millefolium is shown to increase stem cell production at the point of the wound, expediting the healing process. Their conclusion was that aqueous extract of Achillea millefolium or AEAM at low doses may be used in cases where there is a need for large number of stem cells via increased numbers of MSCs and help tissue repair and immunomodulation. Blood clotting. Yarrow's dual role in blood flow is amazing. Yarrow is a versatile herb that can both stop bleeding and hemorrhaging and encourage blood flow. For example, it can bring on a delayed menstrual cycle and circulate blood through the body by dilating blood vessels, which can lower blood pressure. Yarrow is also thought to tone and strengthen blood vessels, making it a supportive ally for a wide range of cardiovascular conditions. In moderation, yarrow will stimulate blood clotting, making it quite valuable for acute injuries. However, too much, and yarrow can act as a blood thinner, so caution should be taken. Menstruation. If you are struggling with maintaining a regular period and/or experiencing amenorrhea, the use of yarrow, particularly in tea form, can help to increase regularity and protect your reproductive health. A 2019 study published in the Journal of Pharmaceutical Research International showed that yarrow reduced menstrual pain. Cited in part, both capsules of yarrow and chamomile reduced the severity of pain, but the yarrow capsule, with its long-lasting sedative effect, proved more helpful to reduce the severity of menstrual pain and could be effective in solving one of the issues among women: reducing inflammation. A 2022 study published in the National Library of Medicine cited in part, among other uses, yarrow has been widely utilized as a part of folk medicine to alleviate symptoms related to gastrointestinal discomfort, many of them similar to those associated with H. pylori infection. The historical background of its efficacy in the treatment of these pathologies is complemented in this work by more scientifically based evidence to support the pharmacological effects of various compounds present in YE against H. pylori. YE may be potentially effective in combating oxidative stress and modulating the inflammatory response associated with gastric H. pylori infection. This herb has long been used to reduce inflammation in various parts of the body, including symptoms of arthritis and irritable bowel syndrome. Lowering high blood pressure. In a 2016 paper published in iMedPub journals, yarrow has been shown to lower blood pressure. They cite in part, it appears that Achillea millefolium could serve as a potential promising hypotensive and cardioprotective agent, as well as high blood pressure related thrombotic conditions inhibitor. Regular use of yarrow can help regulate blood pressure, which may lower your risk of atherosclerosis, heart attacks, strokes, and coronary heart disease. Reducing anxiety. Published in a 2012 study in the National Library of Medicine, yarrow performed as well as if not better than diazepam. They cite in part the anxiolytic-like effect of aqueous crude extract of M. frutescens 25, 50, and 75 milligrams or kilograms was investigated in male Wistar rats evaluated in the elevated plus mazed and compared with several doses of diazepam 1, 2, and 4 milligrams or kilograms as a reference anxiolytic drug. Yarrow has been used for centuries to lower stress hormones and induce a sense of calm in the body and mind. Mastitis. Topical or oral yarrow can help relieve the symptoms of mastitis, a condition in which the breasts produce too much milk. Gastrointestinal. Yarrow can stimulate the release of gastric enzymes in bile, which can speed up digestion and reduce symptoms of constipation, bloating, cramping, and diarrhea. Next, we will be discussing yarrow as an edible and some common uses around the kitchen. Please take a moment to like, subscribe, share, and ring the bell if you are enjoying this video. Thank you. Yarrow nutrition facts. The nutritional profile of yarrow includes a variety of flavonoids, rutin, and tannins, as well as coumarins, saponins, cineol, lactones, eugenol, terpineol, and other antioxidants. Furthermore, this herb can provide iron, phosphorus, and sulfur from its leaves. When consuming yarrow, there are many ways to use it in cooking, as an herbal substitute in vinegar oils, and more. Soups. The peppery smell of this herb makes it a very popular flavor addition to soups, stews, stir-fries, and curries. Edible herbs. It can generally be compared to rosemary and oregano and is often added to dishes that typically use these spices. Sautéing food. When you saute food, it can take on many of the flavors from the herbs around it, so people often use this as a sautéing complement. Infused vinegar. If you want to make slightly peppery vinegar, you can infuse the oils with this herb by letting it steep for a few weeks in the vinegar. Salads. Yarrow herb can be added to salads for a spicy addition, though it may be a bit bitter. Tea. Yarrow can be steeped in hot water to release its prized antioxidants and active ingredients to put a bit of a bite in your brew. Oh yeah, as a side note and bonus, how would you like to smooth out some of those wrinkles? When the stalks of yarrow are crushed, the oils that are released can be added to various cosmetics or applied directly to the area desired for its astringent effects on the skin. Possible side effects of yarrow. Though the positive benefits of yarrow are many, there are a few possible side effects to consider. Drowsiness, bleeding disorders, blood pressure problems, dermatitis, topical inflammation, increased urination. Since yarrow can slow blood clotting in some cases, those with bleeding disorders or those undergoing surgery need to seek advice from your healthcare provider. Negative interactions with drugs that induce drowsiness, treat high blood pressure, reduce stomach acid, or thin the blood may also occur. So speak with your doctor before adding this herbal remedy to your health regimen. Never use yarrow while pregnant. Well, that will do it for today, folks. Thanks for stopping by. Please remember to take a moment to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, be happy and stay healthy.